Well, snow is just around the corner, guys. I can clearly see it from here. Whoa, snow is coming. So cool.
Day number 2. All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm not as excited as I was yesterday, but I got 60 days. I'm gonna push myself. I'm gonna eat really healthy. I'm gonna get my workout. Day number 3. Well, I'm not as excited, but I'm gonna figure out a way to do it. Day number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What happens? Day 10. You're already off. You're already eating bonbons, sitting on the couch again, not doing what you need to. You know, negotiating with your mind on why you should probably skip this workout today and do it tomorrow. Right? We all get excited in the beginning, and then it falls off. Why? Because we have to start the momentum. But here's the secret: once the momentum gets going, just like a car, you have to continue to push, continue to push, and continue to push. And you have to understand that the people who are the most successful, not just the money, not just build the biggest businesses, but the happiest, you know, have the most passion in life, whatever it is when they get to a certain level, they don't stop. They say, I wonder what's next. I wonder what the next version looks like. I wonder how I can expand myself to do even better. I wonder how I can expand my purpose to impact even more people's lives. I wonder how I can expand every facet of what I do. What do they do?
Hey clickers. So, nakita nyo ba yan? Kung napapansin ninyo, meron na tayong mga snowflakes sa daan. Oh my god. This year is quite early for winter. Yeah, really quite early. So, meron na mga snowflakes sa daan. Eh, ano pala ngayon? November 10. November 10 pala ngayon. Oh, yun. Oh, tingnan nyo yung, yung bundok. Snowy na yung bundok. Promise. Ang aga. Ayan oh. Kita nyo ba? Oh my god. Chato kaya yun eh. A bit early, you know. Oh, ito yung lagi kong dinadaanan araw-araw. Oh, di ba? Meron na siya mga snowflakes. Oh my god, tingnan niyo dyan, oh. Ay, very obvious na yung snow. Oh my god, napakaaga ngayon. Last year, nag-umpisa yung snow ng December 23. O, di ba? Ngayon napakaaga, as in, tingnan niyo naman, ito yung lagi kong dinadaanan araw-araw. So, ano lang to, biglaang shoot ko na lang to kasi, yun nga, first sign of snow. First snowfall actually, oh. Oh my god, tingnan niyo naman, oh. Ayan, lagi kong dinadaanan. Ang aga. Bala ko pa naman sanang gumawa ng video ng fall. Wala na. Snow na, winter na. O, tingnan nyo sa may tuktok ng may bundok. O, di ba? Oh my god. Really? O, di ba? Ito kasi na po eh. Labo eh. O, di ba? Oh my god. Tingnan nyo naman. Snowy na. Winter na. Okay. Oh wow, this is the perfect view to me. At this one. Sayang, medyo late na ako ngayon eh. Nakakuha sana ako ng scenes gamit yung GoPro. Sayang, hindi ko na-expect to. Okay. Diba? Ang ganda ng combination talaga ng white at saka dark green. Yung shades niya. Oh, diba? Tignan nyo naman. Okay, so end ko na lang dito. Gagawin natin ng vlog to soon. Alright, drive na muna ako. Ingat clickers.